Study finds novel coronavirus mutations more deadly in Europe, New York. A new study by scientists from Zhejiang University in China has found that different strains of the novel coronavirus may be the reason COVID-19 has impacted various parts of the world differently. Professor Li Lanhuan, one of China's top scientists, found that the virus has acquired mutations capable of substantially changing its pathogenicity. She and her collaborators realized this after studying a small group of patients who exhibited several mutations of the novel coronavirus that were not previously reported. According to the South China Morning Post, scientists had never thought that these mutations might occur because the changes they would have to undergo are rare. The paper is the first to prove that different mutations of the novel coronavirus could also affect its host in different ways. The scientists came to this conclusion after studying viral strains from 11 coronavirus-positive patients in Hangzhou, Zhejiang. They found that the deadliest mutations in the samples they collected were the same as those that had been found in most coronavirus-positive patients in Europe. Milder strains were linked to cases in several U.S. states, including Washington. The South China Morning Post reports that another study had found that strains in New York had also been traced back to Europe, which is why the death rates in New York and Europe are similar. However, Li and her collaborators warned that weaker mutations do not signify decreased risk in terms of catching COVID-19. Two of the patients they observed who had the weaker strain of novel coronavirus became critically ill but survived. According to the Daily Mail, the scientists detected 30 mutations of the novel coronavirus, with 19 of them being new. The problem is that patients diagnosed with COVID-19 are normally treated the same as others, regardless of what strain of the novel coronavirus they may have. Li and her team proposed that the strains be approached in different ways, and drug and vaccine developers must consider this to avoid potential pitfalls. According to Newsweek, another recently published study found that the novel coronavirus has a much lower mutation rate and genetic diversity than SARS amid a 2002 and 2003 outbreak. They noted that this is a good indication for the epidemic control because less mutation means that the rapid development of vaccines or drugs may work.